Welcome back. So yeah, we finished painting this wall. So now we got this beautiful white wall ready for electrical. Should be getting scheduled here shortly. We'll get the boxes put in. It'll look really nice. I really like it. Had some old base paint, killed some base paint laying around, 5-gallon bucket from a past project, and used it all up because it was going bad, or it was on its way out basically, but we used it all up. So we got that wall done, and the ceiling, almost all the ceiling done, except for over there, but no one cares about over there. That'll be another day project. I realized I wouldn't be able to seal up what was left, so I just used it all up. So there we go. Yeah. So we got this drying out basically. Painted it yesterday, and so now I got to put the garage back in order because I've got this giant mess on the floor, and I've got a miner down right now because I got no place to put it because I can't build up all that heat in the house anymore since it's warm summertime. So yeah, that's where we're at the moment. So I'm going to get into cleaning up and getting rid of some boxes and stuff so that I can get that done. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting those 30 amp breakers and the L6 30 plugs installed on that wall right there. Get that 220 flowing out here. All right. Hey, welcome back. So, as you can see, I just late last night I finished up building this rack that I picked up at Menards, 4-rack. Actually, on a side note, when I started putting together, I should have thought more heavily on the sizing, but I did not specifically buy this for long-term use for the mining. But I'd probably, my long-term plan is to go to octaminers, and looking at this, a 3 shelving unit would make more sense than a 4 shelving just because of how you would vertically integrate them in there. So for future usage, I will, get a different size. I plan to use this for other purposes down the road. But as you can see, I've got one miner on there. I got the fan directly on there, box fan that helps with it, and then I've got the keyboard and monitor out here if I need to plug in for that. So that's what that is going on. And as you can see, the beautiful white walls on the side of the garage, and then a mess of boxes I still got to go through. So this is going to be cohabitated basically, or not mixed usage. I'm going to be having the miners up here on these 2 shelving sections, and then below I'm going to have storage there, and then up there I'll have storage as time goes on. For use. Still waiting to get the electrician out here to put the 30 amp breakers in. So that, don't know how long that's going to be. And then the other problem I've got to deal with, always a problem you have to deal with, but that's part of the nature of things. I've got to deal with getting the heat out of here. So as you can see, cracked the garage door, and that keeps air flowing in to some degree, but I've got to get a system built to help ventilate. 2 possibilities is to cut into the wall and have like an 8-inch type vent to pipe out and then pipe in. Another possibility is to come over here, and as you can see, here's the attic access. I could take that out, put in some plywood. You know, I cut a hole and then put a vent in there, air take to suck the heat out. I may experiment just with opening that up here and just having the air flow out to help with that. So that's kind of where I'm at the moment. So as you can see, this is the first step in. Of course, I got that router the other day, or not router. I said it again. The switch I got the other day. I still haven't tested it up. I got to work on that, and then I'll get that out here on the shelf, and then it should work. I should be able to plug it into that device right there for power over Ethernet, and get that going. So that's just a quick update on things. I will also be cleaning and organizing out the mess in the garage and cleaning up all this so it's more organized and decluttered as well, since the more stuff you got, the more clutter in the way, the less airflow you got. So I'm going to be working on cleaning that mess up, and then getting this organized and everything. So that's where I'm at the moment. Always having fun. But yeah, I stayed up late getting that together last night, so because I needed to get that done. But now it's done. All right. Catch you later.